Okay, little girls, why don't you come see if the Easter Bunny came? Come on.
Look, Sadie. Wow. My little pony.
That's yours, and look over there, baby. That one's yours. No, that's your basket right there.
You see your basket? Look, right there. That big basket is stuck. And see, you got a big basket of
I
stuff.
want that.
I want
Is
that.
this mine?
That's for you and Sadie to share.
Mine? Open
For you,
this.
that's for you and Betsy.
Mommy, open it.
Go sit. Go look at your basket, say.
Mine?
It's for you and Betsy to share.
Open that, Mommy.
Just a minute. Why don't you look at your basket first?
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, we got sunglasses. Look,
Oh.
these are brand new. Wow. Look. Sadie got
Look in your basket. Maybe you got one too.
Yes, I do. Look. I have some. Look.
All right.
Girls, turn.
And I like that.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Look at Daddy.
Girls, look at Daddy.
Oh. Look at Daddy so he can take your picture.
Girls. I can Daddy. Look this way. Betsy, look this way. Sadie, look this way. Both of you at the same
Look,
time.
Betsy, quick. Betsy, quick. Look at Daddy. Daddy wants to show you something. Oh, well.
Give up.
Oh, sweet Sam.
Look. I get a chocolate bunny. I told the Easter bunny I wanted one.
Yay!
The Easter bunny gave me Peter Rabbit.
Oh, good. I don't know. I guess school. Open your basket, Sadie.
Oh, I got a brand new headband, Mommy.
Oh, great.
Can I wear it?
Sure.
This is for school.
That might be more for home. We'll see. Tell me what else y'all got.
Look, I got a new bow.
Cute. There's a bee on it for Betsy.
Look, Mommy.
Glasses.
What?
What?
We don't have Coraline.
You got Coraline?
Because we don't have Coraline.
Oh, good.
Daddy, put it on there.
We'll put it on there in a little bit, boo. Sadie, open your basket.
Sadie will like some apple.
I'm an appa.
Daddy will.
Now Sadie
Daddy will.
has Elmo head.
And what kind do you
Daddy
have?
will open. Daddy will open.
And I
Come on.
have two.
Bring it to Daddy. Bring it to Daddy. I'll open. You want to open?
Bring it to Daddy.
Uh,
Mama's videoing. Bring it to Daddy. Did y'all see your little table and chair set? Right here? Isn't that cute?
Emma.
Yeah, it's yours. You like it?
Did y'all y'all got furniture for your dollhouse? You see?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Tell me what else is in
Look, those X5.
Let's see, why don't you get it? And look. I think that's pretend food for your kitchen. I think that's why it's on your table and chairs.
With their big ear and some their crab.
Oh, say, look at you. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Betsy, let's see. Finish opening your basket. What you got? Tell me.
Mommy, it's in. Ooh, look. I have this in
I made you a coffee. It's in the kitchen.
What's that?
I made you a coffee.
Thank you.
Oh, that's
There
so
you go.
cute. You know that's for the bathtub, huh? That's fun. What else do I see in there? Do I see some panties?
Yeah.
What kind?
Fancy.
Oh, those are
Fancy
for
knitting.
big girls.
Puzzle.
That's a cute little puzzle. We're the grossest family.
Bubbles. Okay, bubbles.
Oh, Bubbles. Did Sadie get Bubbles?
Uh,
Sadie better open her basket.
Sadie.
What else? Tell me what else. Tell me what else.
Oh, I
Tata.
got, let me count. I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cute. Thank you. No, that's for Betsy. That's Betsy's Band-Aids. You have some in your basket. I think I see some.
That's my
Tata.
Band-Aid.
I know. Go get your, look in your basket. I think there's some Elmo Band-Aids in your basket.
Sadie, look, you have a telescope like me. No, that's not a telescope. Look, a telescope.
A kaleidoscope. Betsy, what else is in there? Is there more stuff in there?
Nice.
It's yours. What is it? Who's on there? Who's that say?
Who's that, say?
Daddy, look what I have.
Oh.
Fun soap.
What else is in there, B?
Just after, Mommy, Daddy's somebody gave me some for you.
Oh, great. Thank you. Let's see. Oh, what's that strawberry thing?
It's a strawberry notebook. And this is a notebook. Mommy, this is my notebook.
Oh, great.
I used to really gave it.
Are there more panties in there that I see, I think?
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, my. I have Tinkerbell panties.
Oh. Sadie, go open your basket, my love.
Oh, look what else I have.
Oh, those are funny balls.
Oh, they're egg balls.
Cool.
Abba.
I'll Ape.
Mommy, what's this?
I think that's a little mini Bubbles.
That's Bubbles. Bubbles. Sadie, that's yours. Oh, Mommy, guess what else I have?
All right.
A kitty from my dollhouse.
No, I think that's a little bunny parachute.
Where does it go?
How to do it.
Where does it go?
I'll show it to you after. Keep digging. Keep digging in there. What else is in that basket? Y'all got a lot. You know what? That book is for the bathtub. Sadie, I bet you got one too.
Ooh, what's no?
No, that's her.
That's hers.
Sadie, look at this. And mine. Look at
It's
this,
yours.
Mommy. It has all kinds of cool things in it.
Oh, it does have cool
Like
things.
this.
Oh, for your hair, I think.
Circles.
All right, can y'all wave bye-bye to the camera?
Bye bye.
Can you wave bye-bye?